Hi guys! Today I want to share something different with you. I'm going to show you another game that I'm currently working on. It's still very early in development, but I thought it would be interesting to give you a glimpse into how I usually start making a game. Since I've made a lot of videos about my other game, I thought this would be a nice change of pace. In the beginning, I wanted to create this game using AI integrated into the GDevelop engine. I figured if AI could build a functional game, I would only need to focus on the art and it would be a quick process. I plan to upload a video showcasing how I made the game with AI to shift the focus from my previous game, but things didn't go as expected at all. I tried feeding the AI precise instructions on what I envisioned, but it ended up creating something completely different from what I imagined. So, I decided to take matters into my own hands. The concept for this game is that you control a frog, and your objective is to jump onto leaves floating on a lake to survive. You can control the jump's position by clicking the screen, and timing your clicks correctly is crucial. Otherwise, you'll land in the lake and lose. Instead of just explaining it, let me show you how it works. Just before I show you the game, I wanted to mention that ever since my other game made it into the top 5 of the week, its performance has been fantastic. An update for this game will be rolled out later this week or early next week. Now, let's dive into the game. On the screen, the black block represents the frog that you control. The red blocks mark the areas where you can jump along the x-axis, while the blue blocks indicate where you can jump on the y-axis. The pink blocks are spawners for the leaves. Originally, I envisioned this as an infinite runner, but I've decided to implement levels instead. The green blocks visible are the leaves. You'll notice that when you click the arrow, the frog will jump to the designated spot. The first arrow shows the x-axis, and the second marks the y-axis. If you miss the leaves, you'll simply start over from the beginning. Now, I know this game isn't perfect, and it still has a long way to go, but I think it has potential. After I figure out how everything will work and add some art to it, I think it should be okay, since this is very early in development, and I wanted to show you guys how I start my projects. I was just working on the game mechanics and trying to get everything to work as intended. I had a very hard time even making arrows represent correct positions on the screen and getting everything to work properly. To be honest, I don't know when you can expect the playable versions of this game, but since I have other projects that I'm working on and the upcoming Game Jam, it will probably be next year. And that will be all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!